with Emy Girl.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be doing math problem worksheets. It might be addition, it might be subtraction. You'll have to find out. You ready, Emy Girl?
I'm so ready, everyone. Are you? Let's go.
Let's solve our word problems. It says there are 14 birds in a nest. 5 birds are yellow feathers and the rest are red. How many birds have red feathers? It says I can solve by using tens and I can solve by drawing pictures. All right, so since we have 14 birds and 5 of them are yellow, let's use a yellow pencil. Yeah, you can put this one away. We can use color ones now. And then it says the rest are red. So let's use red too.
Yeah.
And in total, there are 14. We can use blue for the total. Okay, so let's start with the boxes. Let's put a dot in each box for 14 birds. Let's see how we're gonna break this math problem up. In the boxes, let's put, yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Ding, ding, ding. It says 5 of them have yellow feathers. So go ahead and put an X through 5 of them with the yellow.
X?
Put like a line through it.
1,
2, 3, 4,
5.
All right, that's it, 5. It says, and the rest of them are red. So go ahead and put a, oh, that's backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. So it says, how many of them have red feathers?
Oh, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yep.
8, 9.
9 of them have red feathers. The answer is 9. So this is our equation. We're going to draw a picture, but this is our equation. It's 14 minus 5 yellow equals what? What answer did we come up with? How many are red? 9. Good job. Okay, it says I can solve drawing a picture. So we're not going to sit here and draw 14 birds because that would take too long. And honestly, both of us don't really know how to draw birds that well.
I'm not a draw bird.
Let me see your best kid. But you're not, are you going to be able to fit 14 of them on this paper?
Yes.
Okay, let me see. Let me see you draw 14 birdies. You want to draw 14 of those? All right, we'll fast forward the video. Emery's going to draw 14 of them. We have to solve them with pictures. And then we're going to do this work problem too. It's going to be fun. All right, guys, so we determined that we can't draw 14 birds because it's going to take up too much space and we have this little box. Okay, so now color 5 of them in. How many are yellow?
5.
5. So color 5 of them in yellow. Okay, and then color the rest in red. And then we have to figure out how many are red. So we could solve the problem 2 ways. Count the red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember you drew an extra one?
9.
Yeah, that's okay. This would be 10, but you drew an extra one. So again, we got the answer 9. We were able to draw a picture and we were able to solve by the 10 frame. All right, let's see our, okay, right here. So the answer's right here. Blank birds have red feathers. How many?
Blank birds.
How many birds have red feathers?
Oh, 9.
9. 9. Good job. All right, solving word problems. Our last one. 19 children are swimming.
19.
All right, so let's draw 19 in the boxes. Yep, you can draw dots. Just draw like a dot like this. I'll do it, and then you can do the other one.
Okay.
Okay, like this. 1, 2. Count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so we have 19 children in the swimming pool. 19 kids. It's a lot of kids in a swimming pool. Hopefully it's a big swimming pool. 5 of them leave the pool and go home. How many children are left?
Okay.
All right, so what can you do?
1.
Good, I like that.
What?
Yep.
5 of them?
5 of them. 5 of them go home. 5 of them, mommies come and say, we gotta go.
1, 2, 3.
Right.
4, 5.
How many are left? How many are left in the pool?
I don't know, so let's count.
Let's count.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many kids left in the pool? Hope you guys are counting with us too.
Bye.
Next time, they need to make sure that they're counting with us.
Yeah, so if you didn't count, that means you need to fast forward it.
Rewind. Fast forward is to go forward. That's okay.
Yeah.
All right, so there's 14 kids left. There's 14 kids left in our swimming pool. So get it right. There are 14 kids in the swimming pool.
They are 14. Oh,
That's 41, silly girl.
now that's
There we go. 14 is 1,
Yeah.
4. 14. Okay, so we can solve by drawing pictures. So let's draw nice circles, not sloppy like this one. Let's do it a little better.
okay.
Let's draw 14 circles.
1, good job. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay, so we have 14 kids in a swimming pool. How many of them leave? Mommy said, gotta go home. How many of them? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we still canceled out. So how many are left? How many don't have X's in them? Count them. All the ones without X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We got our answer. So our equation is this. Let's see where I can fit it. I'll fit it right here. 19 kids in a swimming pool. 5 of them say, bye, I have to go home. I'm leaving, bye. Maybe they have like gymnastics or something.
Yeah.
Or
just
soccer
like me.
practice. Yeah, or maybe they play the piano or something.
Yeah, or maybe they're going to their cousin's house.
Something. 5 of them that leave. So we have 14 left over in the swimming pool. What we learned in these worksheets is that we can draw pictures. There's many, many ways we can solve equations. We can write dots and cancel them out. If you guys want to take the time to draw 14 birdies, you can draw 14 birdies. Emmy's birdies looked good. She drew a circle, a circle, a circle, and a circle. And then legs.
No, this is how I did it.
And then if you guys want
I
to
did
draw
it.
swimming pools, whatever, how'd you do it?
I did it like one. I went like that, and I went like.
Thank you guys. We had fun. Make sure you're counting with us. Make sure you guys are following along because we had super fun with you guys.
We had really fun.
Bye.
Bye.